Step into the 2013 Ford Fusion. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.